So, hi guys, today we're playing Three Little Pigs. This is my sister Peyton. Say hi. Hi. And we're gonna match the pieces, so we need to match the pieces. So we can match the whole puzzle. Like I did already, like this. We did another one there and here. We're gonna match them now. Peyton's gonna give us the pieces. Hey. I need this one. This one. This one doesn't have this. Okay. Tristan, let's match them. So Peyton, you leave them there. Okay. Come on. Okay. No. Oh. Okay. I need a red one now, like this one. Okay. I need the body. What? Sorry. Let me pay it. Okay. I'll do this. No, don't. You leave them there. I need this. Okay. This one's mine. No? Don't go there. Okay. This guy's weird, guys. Comment below. This guy's weird. Yeah. Without his piece, he looks weird. Yeah. Comment below. Yeah. Comment below. What is that? Comment down below. You're copying me, dude. Hey, don't say dude. Okay. This is what's done my floor. What, Peyton? You. No. Okay. Peyton, give me some pieces. Thanks, dude. Okay. Peyton, where did you put this? Which one? This. I don't know. Give me more. Shall we match? Yeah, give me some. Okay. Let me go to your side. Okay. Where is this guy? Oh. Where's this guy? Oh. That's the fox. No, I don't want his foot on my head. Her head. I don't know if it's she. Okay. Comment below if this is she or he. All of these three piggies, because I know this wolf is a boy. Because I know the mom is a girl. You haven't seen Little Pig? I made this guy. This guy's, let's see, like this. And I mean like this. He's doing like, and the other guy is doing like this.
The camera's there.
Let's carry on. Comment down below if this foot is a funny foot. This is not poopy. So this challenge. Peyton. Let's do the puzzle. Okay.
It's moving.
Okay. No, that one does not go. No, that one does not. Let's carry on. Peyton, give me some piggies. What?
Quickly do it and finish the video.
Okay. Oh. What's this piece? Have you we got an eyeball for this. What eyeball? This. No. Okay. I think this one's going to. Yeah, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. We're done. He said, "Pussy."
Can you set up the time for 5:30?
Looks weird.
Instead of 6 o'clock. I want to do it
Hello,
too late.
hello.
You're going to be there for half an hour.
This does not go.
Oh, Peyton, you're blocking the camera. Is it still on?
Yes, still on.
Yeah, why did you block it?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Hey, let me. Okay. And this green guy with the jacket's got saying. Ooh. You like funny, Tristan? Yeah, this guy. He's saying. Ooh. Okay. That one goes there. Maybe this one goes. Yeah. It goes there. No. It goes there. Yeah, that one goes there. Okay, here. No, that one does not go. No, this one goes here. Okay, put it there. Ah! Be dirty. Okay. No, that one goes. We're missing some pieces, guys. Peyton, can I look on you? Guys, have you seen some of our pieces? I mean, not these ones. These ones are the ones that are. Guys, so do not count on this because we haven't found these pieces and we made a mess.
Is it done?
Okay. Yeah, we couldn't find them.
So,
Guys,
we have some left
I'm gonna do another one
on the next video.
on the next video. So guys, do not count on this one because this one, this is weird. Yeah. This guy's saying, ooh. Yeah. He's running and saying, ooh. Peyton, what should we make today?
Okay, bye now.
Bye.
No, it's on the next video. You can do that.
Yeah.
We don't want this to be too long. Look, it's already 10 minutes.
Subscribe and do not see this video because we haven't done this. We haven't done 3 pieces. I mean 2.
Okay, say bye now.
Goodbye. Subscribe and hit the bell button.